I decided to rescue these bananas because I don't like to waste food, so let's enjoy this moist and delicious banana carrot bread. Start by sifting together all the dry ingredients, mix well and set aside. Then mash the bananas, which should yield about a cup give or take. Add finely grated carrot, eggs. These are on the smaller side, so I added 3. I'm being intentional about the amount of sugar that I'm adding because I don't want this to be too sweet, and you get a lot of natural sweetness from the bananas being overly ripe. Once everything is added, we're going to mix that really well, then gradually fold in the dry ingredients. Raisins and walnuts are a must for me when it comes to making banana bread. Leave them out if you're not a fan. And I always have pre-soaked raisins in rum, and I toast my walnuts before adding them. Bake in a preheated oven for 1 hour or until a toothpick comes out clean. The cream cheese glaze is optional. It's delicious with or without it. Recipe and details are below. As always, live life to the fullest and just enjoy food.